Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI note-taking platform, which is Capacity and Notejoy. So let's get started with head-to-end comparison. Capacity is all about organizing knowledge in a flexible, interconnected ways. It lets you create rich notes, connect related content, and visualize knowledge through graphs or links. It's perfect for people who want a second brain, a place to grow, connect, and explore their ideas over time. Capacity is great match for individuals who love deep knowledge engagement and management and want their note to form a network of interconnected thought. Talking about Notejoy, on the other hand, focus on effortless collaboration and simplicity. It lets you and your team collaborate on Note in real time, adding comment, sharing document, and organizing the content in your shared space. Notejoy is perfect for project teams and businesses that need a lightweight, flexible tools for collaboration and knowledge sharing without endless or needless complexity. So if you want a powerful knowledge base for yourself, Capacity shines. But if you need a collaborative space for your teams, Note is hard to beat. And that's it.